Yo.
That's a big piece of bread.
How's it going? We out here again. You already know what the fuck we are. Shh, quiet. It's just a little catch and release. Yo. Oh, whoa. Hey, move my rod away, fool. Move my rod away. It's about to get super crazy right now. Oh, it's always gonna be like that, man. Oh. And then put the spit shot on the ground so I can like. Howdy. Last night in Saigon, though. Last night in Saigon. I'm already crying, man.
Yeah, I'm big crying, so.
It's gonna be hard to sleep tomorrow.
Big crying inside, so. Got guards. Low key.
Man, James is probably lost all his damn bread already.
I haven't felt a single vibration. If I don't feel vibration, shut it.
Hey, watch your step, James. Put the stuff on your feet. Got a pan battle, right? St. Croix. Meanwhile.
Got trick, got feel the line.
Dang, bro. I thought it would be a lot faster than. What, breathing? Nope. They were definitely more active last night, though. But I don't think it's a big issue. I think one of us is gonna catch something really fast right now. Can't wait to see the drag peel. It's pitch black dark right now. The only reason why I can see this is, oh my god, there's a lot of fish activity over here though. Not sure what's going on. That's a piece of watermelon. But hey, Wyland, you never brought the top water?
I have a bag full of lures.
Nice. Definitely try different stuff out. Right now we're using our secret juice. Yeah, James, you might want to.
Oh, he's on.
He's on.
He's on.
Oh, slowly, take him. Keep going. Go for it a little bit.
Chill.
If he's gonna run,
That's a chill one. It might be a flop for you.
All right.
Kind of weaker than the one.
so just pull up, man.
Yeah.
Just fight him.
That's alright. Nah, this one's easy.
How's the drag?
Feels good.
I can hear him. Bring him in slowly, and then I'll say put him on the grass so it doesn't flop. Oh my god, that's what is that? This cat? Yo, bro, why is that real screaming like that? Bring him in, bro. Just making all the noises, ho. No, you're tying the drag a little bit. You don't need to loosen though.
I did drag.
That's
Perfect.
the shirt.
Not bad.
Because this thing has like
Slime.
12-pound iron.
Oh, it's a 12-pound test. Okay.
It's a secret safe that shit.
Nice.
Don't try this new.
Let's go.
Can't.
I'm the cameraman right now, so. Come on, son. Making too much noise. Damn. Might be a big one, huh? Clearly someone's running over that way in the distance. I don't know if you can really see it, but the lighter.
The light.
Oh. Oh, that's a decent size. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's like a good 6, 5. Damn. Let's go. On the grass, though. Back. Walk back, James. Hey. Yep. There it is.
That's crazy.
You let him eat it a little bit, dude.
Damn, son.
You might have to time.
Oh my. James might need to use the Rapala
True.
if there's no hook left.
I can test it. It's a big one though, right?
Yeah, pick him up.
I'm not gonna pick him up. I'm scared.
Well, then why then, Ken? You gotta get that view, man.
You know what it is.
Nah, we don't know how big it is though. So somebody gotta actually do the whole size comparison.
You got and I'm not saying, man. Cat lord, son.
Why? Another one. Catch and release. Let him go slowly. God damn.
At least I know we're throwing it back.
So you know what?
Got you.
Oh, where did I go? Oh, what's up, boy?
Eat, but I mean, eat, boy. Eat, motherfucker, eat. Get this shit, man. Get this shit. My hungry bear.
You got a hook on yours.
Nice.
He's waiting for a pop-up action. You know what it is. Looking like a round 2 for revenge.
Mini game.
Right. Final stand. You know what it is. Oh shit. Man, look like Sanji out here. He's getting catfish over some bread. New loadout, split shot pipe. Oh, keep popping over here. Oh, we going back, folks. Yeah. I am the director now. This is my show, boy. Double hit. Me double. Player 2. Player 1, player 2. It's co-op. Oh shit. Might enter something. Bam. It's like we never lived.
Only thing is with the lures, if we catch catfish, it's
Purgatory.
a bitch to live on.
What the hell was that? What the fuck was that? What the hell? Top City. Oh shit. Oh. Tap Lord? Yo, they love you, bro. Let's go.
Me and the tilap.
Right. That's number 7. Number 8.
I don't know.
Just like that.
Wait. I'm just waiting for him to calm down real quick so I can grab, because he's like flaring up right now.
They're here for their tilapia lure. Daily session.
Dang, shut. Oh man.
They came to give their
I might have to
regards.
put him on the grass real quick. Yeah, let me put him on the grass. Easier this way. I know. It's okay.
Oh, got a coffer.
Yeah, they gotta wash all my rings and everything.
All in due time, baby.
Yeah.
Tap load. Came to say hi to the Lowell.
Go.
Oh. Did it even land in the water though? There's only one more to land. You ain't catching jet, boy. Not yet. It's time though. You'll be free. You'll be free soon. This is purgatory, baby. You can't leave till you catch 20 fish, boy.
You could always just turn it off every catch though. So then,
For sure.
yeah, so
Oh, it'll be.
Alright, so this is exactly what it looks like without the flash. But because of the built-in feature on the new phone.
Looks brighter.
See, this is how it looks, right? And watch this.
It's like daytime, yeah.
It's like daytime, but it's actually 4 a.m. almost. Yo, you fish or you eating?
I'm eating, boy.
What the hell?
Like 2 seconds.
This guy. Why am I doing this if you're not fishing?
I'm on slave ship. There's always a possibility that I should go into the water.
I set the drag really
Oh. No, it was all the way over there though.
Damn. These fish are not hungry tonight.
Oh no, they're definitely hungry when they cast.
The other side.
Come on, man. Catch us some fish. You can tap.
Couple times. Whole time it could be feasting, man.
Yeah, you don't want the fish to be like swallowing the hook though. Ooh. What do you have?
New
The popper?
New
Little popper.
Ooh, a little albino fish. That kind of looks like those. They kind of look like the white salamander type.
That's gonna be nice. You be walking it. Might even want to cast it like parallel to the bank over there too. I'm surprised they're not chasing it. It's pretty much just yeah, for sure. It could be anywhere.
Yeah, right.
We're just trying to see if we can catch like multi-species, catch and release only.
I'm wanting that catfish, man.
Catfish is like 8 pounds, 7 pounds. A little tilapia, but I'm on camera duty. Oh wait, that's just widened. Okay, I thought it was like the drag peeling or something.
feel my fingers. Oh. Oh.
Take it up, take it up. Bring it up. Yeah, you don't need to reel it all the way to the tip though, but put them in the grass.
Got my first.
Because this thing's gonna make a lot of noise.
My first
Tilapia. Yeah, it's just kind of cichlid. Just open the bill. Yep. Get it, bro. Do everything by yourself. Do everything yourself, man.
Oh shit.
Look at this guy, guys. Look at this, guys. Yo, bring him into the grass, ho. You can apply a little bit of pressure with your foot on it, and then, or that, it should be fine. Get that hook off.
Oh, it barely got in.
That's fine. Pull it out.
Oh shit.
Come on.
Slippery, slippery. What the fuck?
Is it off?
Wait, what the fuck?
Okay, it's already off then.
Hey. Oh shit. This look like a sunfish, yeah.
I thought Koreans supposed to be good at fishing,
Right.
man.
Hey, you got new species though. Look at them, little pink tail.
Oh, okay,
Chicken
okay.
egg.
Some kind of cichlid tilapia
Right.
looking thing.
We got some red bottoms on. Little bougie cat.
Okay.
Of course, we're not feeding here. Gently put this full bag back of his head. Let's go, let's go. Two and one.
Yeah. What you gonna try?
It's over there on the ground.
You gonna put a Rapala on? What do you have right now? Some kind of popper?
A little spook.
Spook?
Like a torpedo.
The tile's on the ground, James. Right behind you. I think. You could always just hit the little corner over there too. You know, definitely don't want to be stepping on the grass though. This is kind of like a nice platform to stand over here. Yeah, I gotta back out. Definitely don't want to get my head hooked. Hey.
Now we got you two in the purgatory in the gulag. Saigon gulag. Sneaky sesh, sneaky sesh.
Oh shit.
So far we got two. Maybe looking for that snakehead. Oh, right. Actually, recount 3. New number, final report. Oh, we got potential new loadouts. Okay. Shout out Taco Berry for the night, guys. Is it? Let's go. Stay tuned. We're not stingy with the methods. We're here to teach and learn. Catch. Tappy Lord. Are you putting it on the side? Oh shit. Frog.
Oh yeah, it came off.
Oh, hungry. He ain't small though.
I don't know why it came off like that quickly.
Sheesh. A man's going to work.
Some bread.
Something here. Oh, he said needs a lot. Lighthouse feature. Oh shit. There you go. Got double light. Nice.
You use anything else before that?
Putting a wrap on.
We got bread and rapala on deck. See what happens. Hey. Got Rapala here. New van bag. Oh.
Yeah, we can feel my breath for some reason. And so I had one spit shot on this time. Oh, we got a tap. Hopefully, I might have taken my stuff already.
Easy.
That's crazy. I took my stuff like that.
Snatching.
Ready? Actually, no. Wow. I can't believe you took my stuff like that.
We're hungry.
Yeah. Yeah, this has to be a tilapia.
We got plenty of bread. Could be the top of the section. Possibly. Hey, yo. Tap.
This fish is so
He said, cut the roll. They're small. They've adopted What the hell? What the hell was that? Yeah, right? Instantly, too. They're evolving, man. Shit. It's more of a challenge. Autopilot. Let's go. Damn. Let's get it. Let's get it. Robbery. They're being heisted. That's what I'm saying. Look at this. Being inverse. New map settings. New area unlocked. Look at those buildings, man. Look like Gotham. The Saigon, though. We still here. We still here. Got Wi-Fi. Got Kenny. Saigon. Super late night. What in the world? Shoot. Our runners. Red light for safety. Close quarters. Oh, yo. Tappily God, son?
I gotta find a way to put him down without. This line is super thin, man.
They following him. gonna be okay, little guy.
It's gonna be okay, my guy.
It's gonna be all over soon.
Yeah, I don't want to break the line, but the line's super thin. Dang. Dude, I hooked this one good to top of the mouth.
He said it hard, bro.
Your spot's good too.
Dude, that roof, like the mouth is so hardy. I need like dang, your line's so thin. It's hard for me to. Damn, Wyland,
Yeah.
you think you could help me? Wait, let me see, try it first. I got it.
You got it.
That's cool. It's that ring, yo. Oh. +5 luck. And we're still here, baby.
Still the tilapia.
We're close to release. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, oh, oh. How do you feel, man? Oh. Oh. Straight into the action. Mm.
Is that a cat?
Looks like fine. Little hard. What is this? Gotta be a cat. What is that? What the heck is that? Kind of clutch. I'm gonna get this guy out. Yeah.
Best side.
That thing's huge.
Well, I'm gonna lift it up by the braid because I think I can handle it.
You know best. Wow. I'm not falling to the water and shit.
Is this your drink, right?
Dude, try it. It's fire. Oh.
That's so fat.
Oh, it's a prank. Oh. Chill. You go. Slide. Oh, he gon' dip.
This
Wow.
thing is so fat, dude.
What the heck? What's going on with this one? What are we looking at here, man?
I'm trying to figure out how to hold this.
He's trying to attack me, yo. He's going for me, yo. He knows he's being filmed. Oh, what's up, shit? Let's go. Oh, baby. What is this? With a fat belly. Oh, my lord.
That is
Ooh.
that's a big cat.
What the heck is
Big,
going on?
thick boy.
What the heck is going on? How much you think that is, man?
Probably about a 10-pounder. Maybe 10.
Little
Yeah.
red eye.
This thing is really fat.
Jeez. Feed a whole family. For sure. Gorgeous pink belly. Looks bloated.
Dude, this thing is so thick.
Probably cannibalistic. Oh.
There it is.
Put him back. Oh shit. Yo, I don't even know, bro. Oh my. Salute.
Oh yeah, my hook.
That's
No, I'm out of hooks now.
Wait, your line broke?
Death streak, man.
I jumped onto the bridge, and then it took it like a second to get to that little metal post, probably about 30 or 40 feet away from the edge.
Shoot.
Like,
It's a post-game interview, son. That's good. That's
some
good.
cool, good jumps.
That's good. That's good. Oh shoot. Pain Olympics. Oh.
You got a hit? Missed. But you did get a hit over there?
I did get a hit over there.
Missed the hook shot.
That's a carp, dude. New species,
bring it
bro.
up.
Bring it up. Let's see the line.
Yeah, pull it
You
up.
can just bring it up. Nice.
Yo, new species.
New species.
And it's on the lip, sweet.
Part. Looks pink, yo. Peach.
There's a nice golden carp looking.
Yeah, find new species.
Let's go. Easy release. No, hold it. Someone.
Everyone's like,
They can't see.
let's go.
What's it? No,
Sweet.
we're gonna drop it, bro.
Just get in the gill, too. You're good. I gotta get rid of it.
Sure.
No.
Yo, let's hook the it's route to it.
On my rod, baby.
Right.
Sideway, bro.
You know how we do. Number 5 of the ecosystem. We got a nice, kind of like my shirt color actually.
Alright.
What's up? Release it back to the wild.
Big grab cedar.
Nice.
Let's go.
Crazy.
Let's go.
Yeah, they don't like the piece of ham on that though.
I'm hyped. That's pretty the species for me. Let's go. Nah, I think it's too bad. I think it's too bad.
Leave it down again, Dan. Definitely, I saw the line moving too.
Sure. It's alright. They should come back.
Oh, there's a fucking goldfish right here or something. You see it right there, right?
I see it. Yep.
There's a goldfish right there. Dude, we need to catch that.
Right there. You can't see with the water like this though, but yeah, take the other one, Wayne. Tilap. Oh, is that a roach? Ah man, watch out! You better get creamed on.
Oh, the jizzurp fish, boy. Whoa. Let's go, jizzurp fish. Let's go.
Don't get me today, boy.
Careful, son. Might get juice on you.
Oh, he just nutted.
Why is he nutting so much, yo?
Oh, he just nutted on
he
my
just
leg.
sprayed it on you, bro.
Okay, we're covering you up.
He like literally flicked it to him, man.
Milk.
Look it up.
Dude,
Look it up.
legit.
You got him excited.
There's nut right there. Dude, he's fucking creaming.
A donut.
Yeah, I'm just gonna let this guy go.
Yeah, we don't want him. It's alright though.
The nutfish.
I don't know
You
where
better-
it's coming from, but
Coming from right there, dude.
nah, it's nasty, man.
Fucking baby.
Nasty fish. Oh. No whiplash. She. Final stand. Yeah, I would love to see a goldfish, man. Then that'd be 6. Yeah. Keep boosting the ecosystem here.
Bridge area. Let's see if you can.
Red hot chili fish under the bridge.
He brought it all the way over to the wall. Were you at the wall?
What wall?
Which one?
The wall right here.
there?
Yeah.
You want me to cast over there?
No, he brought it all the way over there.
That's funny because it wasn't even like.
Right under the bridge. Just set it. Relax. Get the siege tank set up. maybe pop off. You know what we do? 5:30 a.m. something like that, maybe 5. Some people's crackhead hours, jogging hours, it's the fishing hours, son. You better get do it, man.
There's definitely a goldfish in there. We saw it. It wasn't that big, but it might be like that, like a palm.
Ooh. I don't think I've ever seen a wild goldfish. Yeah.
It's hard to see.
It's a rare fish. It's a rare boy.
Let's hope like a big catfish. Take this. It's easier.
True.
This is like 40 pounds. So it's a little bit harder to feel.
Handle the heat. Tank it good. Oh. False alarm. Oh man. Oh whoa. Look at that. Now that's a fish right there. City fish. I'm afraid to put this over. Get him. Right. The city's mine.
Slowly waking up.
Oh, man.
About to go to sleep in about 10 minutes.
Yeah, look at all these lights activated. Oh man. Press detergents. We'll be back. Till next time. Be Maine. Be Saigon. Goldfish. What you talking about?
That'd be a cool.
And we're back. Deleted the scenes. True that. False alarm. Shoot. God. Your face is red, man. Oh, bread, right? Red bread. It's alright. The 0.5 catch. We'll count that.